afternoon, everyone. My name is Shikaina Fiti Pitaka. I am 6 years old. I just want to acknowledge my mommy and daddy for supporting me here. I love my mommy and daddy, and thank you, Coach Rafi. My first song is Just Hopper. My second song that I can play is Sandman Lullaby. Enjoy po!
Thank you so much.
To God be all the glory. Thank you po at thank you Pitaka family.
So adorable. Okay. Thank you so much, Shekinah. Now, to give your assessment, let us call on Coach Gilbert.
Hello, Shekinah.
Hello po.
Kamusta ka?
Okay lang po.
Did you enjoy your performance?
Opo.
Oo, kitang-kita na namin na habang tumutugtog ka, nag-i-enjoy ka na yung ulo mo gumagalaw. No, so, I would like to say, Shekinah, ang ganda-ganda ng pangalan mo, no? Bagay na bagay sa piano. Na, congratulations kasi ang galing-galing mo mag-notes. No? Magaling din kasi yung coach mo, eh, kaya gumagaling ka. Yeah. So, the way you play your instruments, very good ka kasi nag-enjoy ka. Diba? Nag-enjoy ka kanina while you are playing piano. Tama ba? Diba? And then, gusto ko lang sabihin, no, na mag-i-improve pa yan, no, kasama si Coach Rafi, no, na madadagdagan pa at mas gaganda pa lalo yung pagtugtog. Na hindi ka lang tumutugtog, hindi lang yung piano yung tutugtog. Gusto ko rin makita na soon, pati ikaw kakanta ka na din habang tumutugtog ng piano. Pwede ba yun?
Opo.
Oh, yes. Palakpakan naman natin si Shekinah. So, congratulations and keep it up. Shekinah.
Wow. So adorable. Thank you so much, Shekinah. Now, let's bring on stage our third performer for today.
May pa-flower pa kay Daddy, ah.
Again, let's give her a round of applause.
Wow! Congrats, Ate Faye! So proud of you, anak! Thank you, Petaka family!